Welcome! In front of me I have Alcatel One Touch Go watch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the power button. Once you wake up the screen, press the Go button right here to open the menu. And once you open the menu, you can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen. Scroll all the way to the right. And here you have the brightness icon, the one in the top right corner. And you can change the level of the brightness simply by tapping on this icon. So we have 3 different levels of brightness. We have the lowest one, middle one, and the highest one. Select the level you like, for example middle one, and once you're done, simply press the Go button to go back, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.